They have placed their grievances before me. I will take these grievances and inform the Chief Minister, and from there we will move forward. Castly grievances. Grievance number 1 is what? CRZ issues. Grievance number 2 is regarding some permission from Finance Department, which I will definitely take up. Grievance number 3 is regarding Tourism Department giving land on lease. There I don't know we can do anything, because once lease deed is signed, I don't think much can be done. We'll have to wait till the end of the term of the lease deed. But I will definitely convey the sentiments of the people.
कितें आता हांगा आसलो ना जाल्यार हांगा तुजोर शटडावन आहा मागीर टीव्ही मेन पायपलायन फुटलेली ते फुट्टा आनी सारखे करता म्हणल्यार 2 दीस ते गेल्ले सो बाय द टाइम द वॉटर रिचीज द एंड इट टेक्स अनदर 2 days.
3-4 दीस वयतात.
So once there is major shutdown, घरांक पावता, especially the tail end, it takes minimum plain area हा तांकां रोखडे पावता.